up right now. I got a bottle with tequila upside down. It's the chicks with boyfriends that are uptight now, cause they know the big dog had a pups like wow. I'm stuck in my city ways, heading overseas with a zip of New York City's haze. You rap can keep running through your city's maze until you get sprayed with the pesticide. I know you in that hole, you best to hide. Like the rest who tried, I went and testified. Of course your girl wanna slide over and be rubbed, and don't mind taking rides over the G-Dub. I ride Rovers on street dubs. Please don't be another dude who died over a G-Dub. Chill. From hood to hood, they see what's hood and know who I be. From block to block, they see it, I can know who I be. From state to state, they cannot hate, they know who I be. From east to west, through the Midwest and down south, it's ghetto. It's ghetto. It's ghetto. It's ghetto. It's ghetto. I get it jumping like a Lolo 6'4", and bet they hop on it like a pogo stick pro. I'm chilling with these go-go chicks though, that do the kind of things that belong in a porno flick, yo. You know it's him and the gang with the bling work on that remind you of Lemon Meringue. But remember the things ain't too far, and y'all don't wanna hear him go bang, bang, bang like John Witherspoon. I'm watching him closely. I know the snake's gon' slip a